everyone and welcome back. I know it's been some time, it's been a month actually. What can I say? I was just lazy and I had too many brand deals in May. Also, to be very honest, I don't feel very motivated to film long form content in this whole shorts and reels era. But every once in a while, I get fed up of short form content and then I just want to sit and talk about makeup in detail. Today I want to talk about some of my favorite mid-range makeup products. Now, mid-range makeup products are something that I gravitate towards the most. More than your affordable makeup like under 500, 300 and also more than luxury. Because the formulas are well crafted, very close to luxury makeup, but at the same time, it's easier on your pocket. So here are some of my favorite mid-range makeup products that I've been using religiously. And I can surely say that you're not going to regret purchasing any of these. We're going to start with a primer. This one is from Maybelline and this launch was a little bit sneaky Maybelline. This is the Shine Stopper 24-hour matte serum primer. Of course, first I wanted to give it a try, so I got the smaller one. Now you guys, if you have oily or combination skin, this is the perfect primer for you. First of all, the texture, can you see that? It's exactly like a serum, very lightweight, and it mattifies completely and keeps shine away for good 4 to 5 hours in this heat. Make sure that you apply a light layer and leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes before applying your skin tint or your foundation. It's very lightweight, very mattifying. I like focusing it in my T-zone, mostly in this area, especially over here. My skin produces a lot of oil in this area, so I like focusing it over here. Then a little bit on the center of my forehead, on my nose obviously, and I sweat a lot over here. Now this is way better than their matte plus poreless primer. I have combination skin right now, so I like focusing it in my T-zone. But you can also apply it all over your face if you have very oily skin. Just make sure that you apply a light layer because I have noticed that it starts pilling if you apply too much. Now I like my makeup to look very skin-like, very dewy, very healthy. But I want the glow in just the right areas. For example, glow on your cheekbones is good. Glow in the T-zone is not very much for me because it makes my makeup look oily instead of dewy. So this is the perfect primer for my T-zone. It controls shine really nicely. Okay, so next we have a skin tint. I have stopped using foundations entirely. I love my skin tints, tinted moisturizers, tinted sunscreens. Today I have a skin tint with me. This one is from House of Makeup. It's the House of Makeup Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint. This has got sheer coverage, is very blendable, and this is something that just enhances my skin, It just makes my skin look better, the my skin but better kind of feel. Doesn't cover anything, but just the glow it gives and the way it sits on my skin is perfect. Some days even I'm stunned how good my skin looks. It's just a trophy for my good skin days. You can apply this with your fingers, you can use this with a brush, and you need the tiniest amount. You can also build it up. I think this one does give a little bit of coverage, but sheer is the best for me. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's so light, I don't even feel it on my skin. So comfortable, doesn't transfer, and you still get that glow. I'm in the shade M10. This is a little bit cool tone for me, but then it shears out a lot, so I can easily pull it off. I feel like this is an amazing skin tint for all skin types. Then we have a concealer. This one again is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Spot Rescue Concealer. Now I have shade number 60. This was perfect for me when I had a tan on, but slowly it's fading and I feel like the shade is a little too yellow for me. So I think I'm gonna buy a lighter shade. This has got salicylic acid. Now I want my makeup to be non-comedogenic. That has become a non-negotiable for me. It's full coverage, it does set easily, so you might want to blend it quickly. Has got a skin-like matte finish. It's also very long-lasting. I use this on everything. On my pigmentation, on my dark circles, on my acne spots. It covers everything. This is actually my favorite concealer from Maybelline. I like it more than their Fit Me concealer. After this, we have a couple of products from K-Beauty. We have to talk about this. First of all, their Jelly Blush Wand in Iced Latte. I have all the shades of the Jelly Blush Wand, but for some reason, I only use this shade. I don't know, there is something about the shade. It's brown with hints of pink. Feels like it's meant for my skin tone. Just such a nice warm blush. And the fragrance, it smells exactly like a latte. Can you see how beautiful it makes my cheeks look? The perfect amount of glow. Gives color to my cheeks and also highlights them really well. Then we have the newest launch, the Cashmere Lip and Cheek Blur. And the shade True Tone. If you have a medium skin tone, just grab this. Don't think about it, okay? Just get it. This is going to be a perfect nude. Now, it does depend on the undertones too, but I'm just so excited about the shade. True Tone, you guys, the perfect brown for me. And also the texture is very moussey, very velvety. It has got a matte finish, a very blurred matte finish. Now imagine the Maybelline Teddy Tints, but more comfortable. You can use this on your cheeks, on your lips. I also like applying it on my eyes because the shade is such a great contour shade for my eyes. Very matte, very blurring. This is my favorite shade. It's not 100% transfer proof, but it's gonna stay for a good 3 to 4 hours if you don't disturb it. Next, I have a powder foundation. This one is from Rini Roy. I think you guys know about this because I've used this in a lot of my videos. And not just videos, I've used this powder foundation in so many different ways. As a proper powder foundation, this shade is just perfect for me. For setting my makeup under my eyes, my smile lines. And I also use it for touch-ups. I love using this with the PAK S13. It just blurs out my skin really nicely. And the shade range is amazing for deeper and dusky skin tones. Can you see how it instantly mattifies my skin and removes all the dewiness? My T-zone looks flawless. It has also got coverage, so sometimes what I'll do is I'll just apply my skin tint and then apply a good layer of this powder foundation under my eyes, cover my pigmentation with it. So yeah, I've also used this as a concealer. Next I have a mascara. This one is the L'Oreal Telescopic Extensionist Mascara. Maybelline and L'Oreal mascaras are my favorite, okay? I like this a lot because of the wand actually. It's very slim, very easy to apply, gives you that lift, curl, also separates my lashes. This is my go-to mascara these days. I really want the brand to launch a good iron wand mascara in India, you know? Similar to the Judy Doll one because iron wand mascaras are just too good. Easiest to apply, look very natural, and if the formula is right, the lift you get is insane. Also, there are less chances of clumping with an iron wand. This one is also good. It doesn't clump, very slim, separates my lashes, but I really want a brand to launch an iron wand mascara in India. And finally, I have this lip duo from Flossy. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. Can you see how plump my lips look? It's a lip plumping duo, has got that hot plumping effect. I have tried 3 shades. My favorite is Blocked. Now this is not my favorite shade because I resonate a lot with the shade name. It's actually a really pretty neutral brown. And because I've applied the gloss a couple of times, my lips look so plump. If you have sensitive lips, don't use this because this has got a strong plumping effect. I have got sensitive lips, but I really like the shade. What can I say? On one side, you get a liner, and on the other side, you get a gloss. Both of these are going to plump your lips. You're going to feel the burn with the lip liner as well as the gloss. A little tingling, you know, and just makes my lips look so voluminous. Absolutely love the shade. And that's it for this video. Do leave some video ideas in the comments because I want to film more long form content. So I want to know what you guys want to see. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.